and blown out as well.
I mean, it's just unbelievable, the strength of those winds and those storms yesterday, but kind of believable for us, right? Just last Friday, so 1 week ago, we were dealing with that, straight line wind threat across the area. We had hurricane force gusts here in Jacksonville. And in fact, I was looking at these storm reports. I know it's hard to see. Houston's right there. A lot of the reports coming in with winds that were upwards of 70 miles an hour, and even as they were approaching the bay here, about 78 to close to 80-mile-an-hour gusts. So some ships blown away from the harbor, multiple trees reported down in neighborhoods, unfortunately fatalities as well associated with that. So yes, some very, very strong storms that were moving on through. We were severe clear yesterday. It was a beautiful sunset in downtown Jacksonville, but we're kind of gearing up for our next round of rain that's going to arrive as we head into the weekend. So going to make sure as we head through the weekend, we kind of have that weather on top of mind. Beautiful waxing gibbous moon. Next full moon will be on Thursday of next week. And right now what we're going to be watching are those increasing clouds. So for our low tide forecast at the beach, I think it's going to be dry. You know what? If you want to get out there, it might be your best shot all weekend. All right. Low tide is at 10:42. UV index is 10. It's still even with the clouds. Remember, you got to load up on that sunscreen. Sun is up around 6:30 and it sets at 8:15. Then our high tide will be around 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Temperatures in those mid to upper 80s today out toward the coast with those southwest breezes. A little bit of a sea breeze developing in the afternoon, but not much. Seas about 2 to 3, surf about 2 feet or so. And things will continue to remain quiet, but the chop will pick up with those storms this weekend. All right. Now our weekend outlook includes a chance of storms on both Saturday and Sunday. But if I were to say get outside, I would pick first thing Saturday up until about 1, 2 o'clock. I think nap time for my babies. All right. So our Storm Prediction Center today does hold some of us in that 1 out of 5 on the severe weather scale, but areas out toward the panhandle who are experiencing those storms now, they're in the 2 out of 5 on the scale. That changes for us. We kind of up the ante a little bit on Saturday, especially for southeast Georgia and extreme North Florida. This includes the airport in Jacksonville, out toward Big, Little Talbot Islands, Mayport area. Okay. So we're going to have to make sure by the second half of Saturday, we're kind of, hunkered down, let's say, and things are tied up, and we watch the chance for those storms to blow on in and bring some gusty winds possible. By Sunday, I would say we have a general thunderstorm risk, still a lightning chance, and that in itself is dangerous. So tonight we've got the chance for some storms to blow in from Waycross to Brunswick. They fade by about midnight, and then we start off the day on Saturday, possibly some patches of fog, but I think we get the sunshine and temperatures warm up quickly into those upper 80s, lower 90s. Then the storms will begin to roll in through the afternoon and into the evening. They stick around. I would say waves of showers and storms expected Saturday night, and through the day Sunday we watch a cold front move in, so that's going to help to bring a line of showers and storms our way as well. We're briefly cooler, let's call it 82 Monday, woo, and then 84 on Tuesday as the sunshine returns in full.